Pip boy beeping, how you been? You could have a vertibird if you just clear out them ghouls. You could have a power frame stomping if you bring your blue glow back. All you do is call me, I'll smash anything you need. You could have a super sledge swinging up and down the ways. You could have a radar rig crash and this apocalypse never ends. I wanna be your super sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Wow! Oh, let me be your super sledgehammer. This will be my testimony, yeah. Show me around your vault cage, cause I will be your Brahmin bee. Crack open your Nuka fruit cage with a quantum sweet as can be. I wanna be your super sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Wow! You better call the super sledgehammer. Put your reds at reds. I'm gonna be your super sledgehammer. This can be my testimony. Wow! I'm your super sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it.